YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and I'm back to do another video, and this video is going to be a how-to on how I apply my false eyelashes. Now I do have my own technique of how I like to apply my own lashes. I don't use tweezers like most people do because for the life of me I have no idea how people use tweezers. I must just be really bad with my hands or something because I just cannot use tweezers to apply my lashes. I actually just use my good old fingers, and also I actually use hair glue to apply my lashes. And y'all might say, girl, you be using hair glue, but honestly it's the best adhesive I find for my lashes. The lash adhesive and the lash glues that I've used in the past just never really worked out for me. They moved, they came off and all that stuff, so I like to use hair glue instead. So if you want to see how I apply my false eyelashes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so firstly you're going to need obviously a pair of lashes. You're going to need a bobby pin to apply your glue. You're going to need your hair glue, and like I said, I use my hair glue. And you're also going to need a work area to apply your glue on, and I just like to use the case that my lashes came in. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of glue onto the lash packaging or the lash case. You don't need too much, just a very small amount like what I've done there. And then you're going to take the bobby pin and just apply a thin layer of glue along the strip or the band of the lashes, making sure to pay close attention to the ends because that is where your lashes will start to lift off first. So make sure you add a generous amount to the ends of the lashes. Then you're going to just blow on it a little bit. You want to wait until they get a little bit tacky. You don't want to apply them right away or else they'll just slide right off. So just wait until they are a little bit dry, and there I am dancing. And next what I like to do, I just like to pull the corner of my eye and then I apply the middle first. I put the middle down and then I go to the outer end and apply it as close to the lash line as I can, and then I go ahead and apply the inner corner, and then I open my eye just to make sure everything is lined up correctly. And then that is pretty much it. It is so easy and simple. So again, for the other eye, like I said before, just add a bit of glue. Make sure you add them to the ends especially. Blow on it. You have to wait until it gets tacky. It can be a few seconds, about 20 to 30 seconds you should wait. Then just pull the corner of your eye, apply the middle down as close to the lash line as possible. Then attach the outer portion of the lash and then the inner portion of the lash. And that is pretty much it. What I like to do next is just fix the lashes and make sure all the hairs are going up in one direction and that they're not going down or going from side to side. And then I'll take a little bit of mascara just to help blend my natural lashes with the lashes and to make the lashes a little bit more dramatic. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye also, and that is pretty much it. Look, I messed up my face there. But that is pretty much it for applying the lashes. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys, and thanks so much for watching. There you have it. That is how I apply my false eyelashes. It's a super easy and quick tutorial, nothing crazy or rocket science to it. I pretty much just put glue on the lash and put the lash onto my eyelids. So I hope that this video was very helpful for you guys. If you did enjoy the video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or concerns, then please leave them down below, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload.